replace Delta. And again, I'm using Delta because it's the 800-pound gorilla. Replace Delta with Google. Replace Delta with Google. And specifically Google SEO.
Would you rather get patients from Delta, or would you rather get patients from Google? I think that's a very short decision-making process. I'd much rather get my patients from Google. First of all, you're going to save a massive amount of money. Developing an organic SEO campaign will be a very small fraction of what you're paying Delta. A very small fraction. And then you solved your overhead problem in one fell swoop right there.
Exactly. And sometimes the amount of money you would end up spending on Google SEO will be 2% of what you're giving Delta. I mean, literally, it's a fraction, a tiny fraction, like Gary said.
We have clients in our client budget. Traditionally, if you look at a marketing budget, for many years, the experts have said the dentists need to be spending somewhere between 3 and 5% of their revenue would be an appropriate budget for marketing, 3 and 5%. 3% would be more appropriate if you were willing to accept lower growth, like single-digit percentage growth a year. More like 5% if of your revenue that you were spending on more aggressive growth, like double-digit percentage growth, 10% or more. Many of our coaching clients are spending less than 1%, less than 1%. And remember, this is compared to what when we look at your insurance adjustments as a write-off, compared to that number, it's a very small fraction of that number.
Yeah, the other reason to do it, of course, one is to save that, hundreds of thousands of dollars every year in marketing expenses. The second reason to do it is people who are finding you on Google are looking for specific things. I might be interested in implants. I might want to get, do something about my crooked teeth. And typically these are high value, fully paid, $3, $4, $5, $10, $20,000 cases. So you are much better off also attracting those cases who appreciate your skills, your capabilities, and are coming to you because you are really good at what you do. It's fun for you, plus it's very profitable. So I think those are the two reasons why you want to start replacing Delta with Google, make 2023.
If you're serious about that, do what we did in my lifestyles practice, and that's work with Equa. Equa is our digital marketing agency, and they're the ones that have helped us master organic SEO. Naren, I know you've been kind enough to offer our listeners a marketing strategy meeting with Lila Stone. Let's put a link in the show notes for them to schedule that. Lila will study your practice, study your Google Analytics, study your website, let you know how you look and how you perform in the eyes of Google, and share that information with you, and also share with you what's working with your marketing and what could be improved so that you could effectively replace Delta with Google.
Absolutely. And that link is ekwa.com/MSM for marketing strategy meeting.